Hello everyone, today I want to show you my game collection for PS4. I only have a 3 game only. First game I have is Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 is my favorite game, fighting game for last year. It was a lot of improvement, especially for customized character and story mode. So it's a and also gameplay as well. They improve a lot. The AI is not it's not good as a first game. So it's a fun game. The second game I got is Lego Jurassic World. Lego Jurassic World is my favorite Lego game of all the time. I play this game was so fun. You can play as dinosaur as well. And also you can customize your dinosaur. So I recommend for all your Lego fans buy this game. It's a great game. The last but not least, my last game is Injustice 2. Injustice 2, great game and fun game to play. You could play as Superman, Batman, and all characters in the DC universe. The story was good. The gameplay was same like Mortal Kombat. By the way, the same company, and also a great game for this year. Okay, that's all I have this game. So hopefully you guys enjoy this game collection. See you guys again.